Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is nearing the end of the videos from our Hawaii trip. On this very short video we have here today, I threw together some hikes that we did around the Waimea Canyon, if I'm saying that right. I doubt I am, but it's a Waimea Canyon or Waimea. Anyway, on the drive up the canyon there's a lot of pull-offs you can pull over and see some great views and do a little bit of hiking like you see here. This was just literally right off the side of the road, but be careful, don't slip and fall because it's a long way down. And then at the end there's a park where you can a place where you can park and hike on a longer trail. It goes under a waterfall and it goes up to some massive cliffs where the views are just amazing. You'll see that here in a few moments on the screen, but yeah, if you go there to hike, please be careful, and the views are amazing. When you get down to the bottom and you're walking through all the the lush undergrowth and stuff, you really feel like you're walking through Jurassic Park, like any moment Velociraptor's just gonna come running out at you. But anyway, yeah, it was a great hike, easy, very muddy in some places, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe, please. Yeah, if you have any questions, reach out. We got a lot of things we did on our honeymoon there, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and we'll try to help you guys out with what we did. Anyway, like the video and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one. Pieces.